Hello everyone. I want to make a practical illustration on how to use Zotero. So the first thing you're going to do is go online, go to zotero.org. When you get to zotero.org, you open an account, you register, okay, using your email and password, and make sure you remember your password. And thereafter, you download Zotero to your desktop. So when you download Zotero to your desktop, this is how it looks like, okay? So you click on it to open it up. When you open it up, it has three interfaces. The left interface, the middle interface, and the right interface, yes? The left interface is my library, and that's where you have a collection of papers that you will download, okay? The middle interface are those specific papers you have downloaded. If you click on it once, to the right, you'll see the information of this paper. The title of the paper, the author, the publication itself, the volume, issue, and the page and the date. Make sure this part of your Zotero is well and correct, is well populated and correct. How do you know this? Double click on the paper to open up the paper and confirm the names of the author. You confirm everything, okay? So you can even read the paper here. So this is like an e-library where you can access your paper. You can read any paper and then you can, extract any information and put it in your own words as you write your research article. Let's close this down and go back to our Zotero. Now let me show us how to populate the Zotero. Number one, I've already downloaded this paper. So for you to download, yours will be fresh. So you need to create, you click on my library and you click on this create new folder, new collection here. And you give it a name. You give it a name, maybe papers on brain health. You create a collection, okay? So there are ways of adding, populating your Zotero. My preferred way is using the DOI method, okay? You can do it manually, but it's very time consuming. So I prefer this method of using an identifier. So you click on this icon that looks like a magic wand. When you click on it, you'll see enter ISBN, DOIs or PMID. You go online to fetch that particular paper you are interested in. For example, this is a PubMed paper. And there you can copy the PMID number or the DOI number, okay? So if you copy either of them, you copy it, yes, Control C, go back to your Zotero on your desktop, click on this magic wand, the identifier, and just paste the DOI number and then you press enter. When you press enter, that's how your paper that's how you populate your Zotero. That's how I got all this. You keep copying the DOI number of those papers online, and then you click on this magic. I call it magic wand. It is actually an identifier. Okay, just click on. You paste the DOI number, whatever it is, and then you press enter, and then you can populate your Zotero. So the next step now is staying organized on Zotero by creating a collection of folder. So each time you want to write a paper, create a fresh collection, or if you it's just a way of staying organized in your e-library. You create folders for different things, okay? For example, these are my papers on dates. These are my papers on hydrocephalus. These are papers on vaccinology when I was writing a particular paper on vaccinology. So if you click once, you'll see the information to your right, which I said is very important. Make sure this is correct. If you double click, it opens up for you to read. Okay, so you can close it down. Then the next step now is to link your Zotero with your Word document. So after downloading your Zotero, you restart your system. When you restart your system, you now go back to Word document. When you get to your Word document, look up, ensure there's a Zotero tab here. So once you have a Zotero tab, you are rest assured that your Zotero has linked with your Word document and you are ready to write. So this is just the fifth step now is just the practical application of how to cite papers as you write. So as you write, you want to cite a paper. Make sure your Zotero app is open, and then make sure you are in the Zotero tab in your Word document. So as you write, you want to cite this particular statement, just click on this add citation, and then here it gives you an option to pick on any citation style, whether it is APA, whether it is IEE, whatever, MLA, Nature, Vancouver, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you click on OK. Okay, you click on OK, and you already know the name of the author you want to cite. Just type the name of the author and the year. For example, Adedeji et al. I know the name of the author I want to cite. Just type it. Once you type in the name of the author, the paper pops up. You just click on it and you press enter. Okay, and there, that has been cited. You want to make another citation. You've written this statement and you already know the name of the author. You go to add citation. You type in the name of the author. Yes, the first name of the author. You click on it, and there you have you click on it. Okay, I don't want this. I want another one. Add citation. Okay, let's go for this. And then I want another one. Keep typing the name of the author. Maybe there are two authors you want to cite. Click again and press enter. So those are two authors we've cited. And at the end of the day, you can just generate your bibliography. Okay, so you just place your cursor, you click on that position where you want to create your bibliography, and click here on the left corner here, add bibliography, and there you just have a bibliography at the end of your write-up. So thank you.